Hello everyone, welcome back to our Python programming series. In the previous video, we learned what Python is, its features, applications, and wrote our first Python program. Today is day 2. We are going to learn variables, data types, user input, commands, and type conversion. Let's get started. Today's topic are variables, data types, user input, commands, and type conversion. By the end of this section, you will able to create variables and work with different types of data in Python. What is variable? A variable is a container used to store data. Example, name equal to rom. Here, name is the variable and rom is the value stored inside it. Think of a variable as a box where we can keep information and use it whenever needed. Without variables, storing and managing data becomes difficult. Variable rules. When creating variables, we must follow some rules. Rule number 1. A variable name can start with a letter. Example, name equal to Python. Rule number 2. A variable can start with an underscore. Example, underscore name is equal to Python. Rule number 3. A variable cannot start with a number. Wrong example like one name equal to Python. Rule number 4. Python is case sensitive. Example, a small letter name is equal to name and a capital letter name is equal to Shakti. The both are considered different variables. Types of data string, integer, float, boolean. Python supports different types of data. The data types tell Python what kind of value is stored inside the variable. Let's understand each one. String data type. A string is used to store text. Example, name equal to Python. Strings are always enclosed inside single quotes or double quotes. Whenever we want to store names, addresses, messages, or any text, we use string data type. Let's do this in Python. I'm going to create one file name called string.py. Here, I'm just going to create a variable name called name. I'm going to store a value called Shakti. Now, I need to print it. Just right click and run. So, here you can see the value of Shakti. So, here we can also able to create multiple variables. Here you can able to see outputs integer and float. Integers stores whole numbers. Example, age equal to 20. Float stores decimal values. Example, price equal to 19.5. Whenever decimal values are involved, Python automatically treats them as a float. Boolean data types. Boolean data type stores only two values, true, false. Example, is student is equal to true. Is logged in is equal to false. Boolean values are mainly used in decision making and condition. For example, checking whether a user is logged in or not. Getting user input. Till now, we manually entered values. But what if we want users to enter their own information? For that, Python provides the input function. Example, name equal to input, enter name. Print name. Now the program waits for the user to type something and stores it inside the variable. This makes programs interactive. Type conversion. Sometimes we need to convert one data type into another. Python provides int, float, str. Example, let's assume age equal to double quotes and value of that is 20. Age equal to int age. Now the string values become an integer. Type conversion is useful when accepting user input and performing calculation. Comments in Python. Comments are nodes written inside the code. Python ignores comments during execution. Example, this is a comment. Comments help programmers understand the code better. Whenever you write large programs, comments make maintenance easier. Always try to add meaningful comments in your projects. Let's see each and every programs in Python. We already see string data type. Now we are going to see integer and float, boolean, so here you can able to see each and every data we entered here. Now we are going to check what type of data we entered. For that, enter print type and name. Sorry. Okay. So now I'm just running. It tells the type of name is string and the type of age is int and the type of mark is float. Okay, now we see user input. Let's assume a variable name called name is equal to input, enter your name, print name. Now, so it now prints the exact value what we are entering here. Input with message name is equal to input, enter your name, print name. Before that, I'm telling welcome, come on, name. So now the asking name, I'm giving that, and you see a welcome ROM. Let's see type conversion. Age equal to double quotes 20. Print type age. Age is equal to int age. Print age type of age. As you see here, it converted that string value to integer. Let's see comments. Just enter hashtag before the text. If we run this now, there will be no outputs because it is a command. Comments execute never. Comments होता है notes. So the final project is name is equal to input, enter your name. Age is equal to input, enter your age. Print student name and student age. So I'm going to enter data. So it has printed. Today we learned variables, variable naming rules, data types, string, integer, float, boolean, user input, type conversion, comments. Great job completing day 2 of Python series. In our next section, we will learn Python operators including arithmetic operators, comparison operator, logical operators, and build some small programs. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Happy coding!